Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, Dr. William Ruto, Your Excellency, the First Lady of Kenya, Mama Rachel Ruto, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, he's not here, the Cabinet Secretary for National Treasury and Economic Planning, Honorable FCPA John Buddy, the Principal Secretary, National Treasury, Dr. Chris Kipto, the Chairman of the Kenya Revenue Authority, Honorable Nderitu Muridhi, the Chair Budget Committee, Honorable Sam Atandi, the Chair Finance and Planning Committee, Honorable Kimani Kuria, Senate Majority Leader, Honorable Aaron Cheriot, Directors of the Kenya Revenue Board, Chief Executive Officers present, senior government officials present, esteemed taxpayers, my colleagues, the KRA staff, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Your Excellency, allow me to first recognize the men in the House and wish them a happy International Men's Day. As I recognize you and wish you a happy International Men's Day, I also want to convey a simple, clear, and humble message. Kulipa ushuru ni kujitegemea. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, today we gather here for the 20th edition of Taxpayers' Day, a national tradition that honors the men and women who have faithfully complied and sustained this republic. This year's celebration carries even a deeper meaning as it marks 30 years since the establishment of the Kenya Revenue Authority. This has been 3 decades of institutional growth, national service, and shared progress. From a modest administrative unit within the National Treasury, KRA has evolved into a central pillar of our country's economic sovereignty. This journey has been shaped by trust, strengthened by collaboration, and fueled by a collective conviction in Kenya's shared prosperity. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, in 1995, Kenya collected Kenya shillings 122 billion in revenue. Last year, we surpassed the 2.5 trillion Kenya shilling mark, a 20-fold leap that has financed our schools, hospitals, roads, security, and the daily functioning of our state. This milestone was achieved not only through structural reforms and stronger enforcement, but also through a deliberate shift, supporting taxpayers so that they can comply voluntarily, easily, and confidently. As we look ahead, sustaining this progress demands bold modernization. Our priority is clear: to accelerate KRA's digital transformation so that compliance becomes simpler, fairer, and accessible to every Kenyan. We are redesigning our services around the citizen, ensuring that registration, filing, payment, and support can be done conveniently, securely, and without unnecessary bureaucracy. Along this journey, we discovered an essential truth: technology succeeds only when it makes life easier for the taxpayer. And so we have acted. Today, a Kenyan can file returns through a simple USSD code, no smartphone needed. And because millions of people and millions of our citizens rely on WhatsApp daily, we have taken our services to that platform as well. Our WhatsApp assistant, Shuru, or as my chairman affectionately calls her, Shiro, is now delivering nearly 30 instant services, offering seamless support from anywhere in the country. These innovations mean something profound. We are opening virtual KRA offices in every taxpayer's pocket. A citizen in Turkana, in Hola, in the hills of Tharaka-Nithi, at Raskamboni on the Somalia border, in Kiunga in Lamu, or Lwahaha in Bungoma, can now access KRA services without traveling, queuing, seeking intermediaries, or incurring additional cost. This is the Kenya we are building, one where distance is no barrier, time is no barrier, and service is available instantly, digitally, and free of charge. And I've come here with fellow Kenyans who are driving this change. These are my colleagues, the KRA staff, and I wish that they be upstanding so that they can be recognized. Thank you. You can sit. In restructuring KRA so that we are a modern, fit-for-purpose organization, we have also strengthened our support to micro, small, and medium enterprises through our dedicated MSME facilitation function, and we now have a dedicated MST, Micro and Small Taxpayers Department. We are providing targeted advisory services, tax education, and direct outreach to the entrepreneurs, to hustlers, and young business owners who power our economy. Our goal is simple: to ensure that taxation never stifles growth, but enables it. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, KRA remains fully aligned with your administration's transformation agenda. We will continue to expand our service footprint, deepen our integration across government systems, and uphold the highest standards of integrity, aware that public trust is our most valuable asset. As we mark 30 years, we reaffirm our commitment to building a tax system that supports enterprise, inspires confidence, and secures Kenya's prosperity for generations to come. Thank you very much. God bless you, and God bless the Republic of Kenya.